So in Michigan, they have these reverse vending machines for when you have the can deposit. You see Michigan 10 cents on here. You put them in the vending machines and then you get your money back. You have to pay this amount when you purchase the cans, but then you get it back using this. So it looks like we just insert the container right here. It says processing. It says remove container. And then it prints out this receipt that you bring into the store to get your 10 cent back. And they got a bunch of these for glass and plastic and cans. Hope this was interesting.